What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix login issues for the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First of all, you should make sure that you're using a reliable network connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to cellular and vice versa to troubleshoot any network-related issues. You can also use a speed testing site or application, such as Speedtest. Here, you can preview your average upload and download speed. In case your network connection seems fine, then open up your settings application. Here, under Screen Time, make sure that your communication limits are disabled for the Messenger application. You should also remove any app limits for the Messenger app. In your Screen Time settings, make sure to disable the Share Across Devices option. This will prevent any of these changes from carrying over to other devices using the same Apple ID. When this is done, head back to your main settings and scroll down until you can find your Messenger settings. Make sure that the background app refresh and mobile data options are enabled. This will allow Messenger to update in the background using your cellular data. You can then proceed to launch the Facebook Messenger app to see if this fixed any of your login problems. In case the problem persists, then reopen your settings and navigate to the General section. Here, tap on iPhone storage. It might take a couple of seconds to load your storage information, and then you can proceed to look up Messenger. Tap on Offload App. This will reinstate the application and fix any software-related issues you might have. In addition, this can clear up a lot of used storage on your device. Back in your general settings, make sure that your VPN or proxy connection is disabled when trying to log in to your Facebook Messenger account. Next, make sure that the Messenger app is up to date. In your App Store, look up Messenger and make sure to download any updates there might be available to you before reopening the app. Lastly, in case nothing helps you out, then there is an issue with your current iOS version, or you simply need to restart your iPhone to restart some services, which can prevent you from properly connecting to the Facebook servers. In your iPhone's general settings, tap on Software Update. Make sure to download the latest update before restarting your device. You can then proceed to open the Facebook Messenger application. To prevent this problem from happening again, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen. Here, scroll down and select Switch Account. Make sure to remove any account you previously used that you no longer need on this device. More information about each step can be found in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.